Hey everyone, great to see you again. Today's video is about Mureka AI. Mureka AI, a powerful platform that lets you create music using AI technology. What's even better is that you can sell your tracks directly on the platform. What's even more exciting is that with Mureka AI, you're in a win-win scenario. Whether you're making music to sell or purchasing tracks, there's always profit on your side, no losses, only gains. Stick around, and I'll break down exactly how it all works. I've just created a track using Mureka AI. Take a listen and let me know what you think of it.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
That track was incredible, wasn't it? Today, I'll walk you through Mureka AI, showcasing its unique features that make it stand out in the world of music creation. Huge thanks to Mureka AI for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. Here's the best part. With Mureka AI, it's always a win-win. Whether you're composing music to sell or purchasing tracks, you're always on the profit side. No losses, only gains. Stay tuned as I explain how it all works in detail. Mureka AI is super easy to use. You'll see a quick intro about Mureka on the homepage. But if you're looking to create music, just head straight to the Create section. In the Creation section, we have two music generators, one for basic use and another for advanced features. So, here's a straightforward prompt description box where you can quickly generate regular music or songs just by entering a simple prompt. In the basic section, we can only stick to simple prompts, but once we move to the advanced section, there's so much more we can do. And I'm about to walk you through all of that. But before we dive into the advanced section, let me quickly show you how the basic section works. You can still create a lot here. For example, check this out. I gave a simple prompt like write me a Halloween song. Even though the basic section is really meant for generating music, I use write me a song because it delivers better results. Now that it's ready, I'll play it for you, just enough so you can get a feel for how it turned out.
Like a ghost in your mind, you'll never find me, but I might be around. on my phone. A killer clown, I'm wearing all of my makeup. You can call me Alice down the rabbit hole. Make me sing, boo.
So that was the song we created from a basic prompt. Now let's tweak the prompt a little, just to show you how you can generate music or songs in different ways. This will give you a better idea of how flexible the system is. If you want to create some really awesome music or songs, all you need to do is add a few specific keywords to match the vibe you're going for. For instance, here we'll add words like horror or scary, and the song it generates will give off that eerie, spooky feeling. A lot of people say the basic section isn't that helpful, but honestly, I found it super useful when you know how to use it right. Alright, our next song is ready. Let's hit play and listen to how it came out. Let's see if it captures that vibe we were going for.
It shows no mercy. So write me a song.
This one came out really well. It's exactly what we were aiming for. This song definitely has that horror and scary vibe we were going for. Now it's time to dive into the advanced section. We've been working with the basic section so far to generate music and songs, but let's see what the advanced section can do. Here are a few tips and ideas to help you get even better results. Feel free to give them a try yourself. Before we jump into the advanced section, let me quickly share something from my experience. If you're looking to create simple background music, the basic section is your go-to. It's perfect for that. But if you want to generate complete songs, that's where the advanced section really shines. And that's exactly what we're going to explore next. And with advanced music generation, you'll see how many options you get to create songs according to your own taste and preference. Here, you can choose the style, add reference audio to control the style, and then you get the option for vocals, where you can add any voice you want. In the description, you can describe what kind of music you want. Lastly, there's the melody feature, which is still in beta testing, but totally worth trying. It lets you generate songs based on recorded melodies. Definitely a powerful tool to experiment with. We'll put all these options to work and generate a song together, while learning how to utilize each feature effectively. And here's something I almost forgot. Yes, you can add lyrics too. We can use ChatGPT to create the lyrics, then paste them right here to turn them into a song. How cool is that? We're about to generate lyrics using ChatGPT. But before we jump in, I want to show you another really useful feature. You can also use Mureka AI's own AI to generate songs and lyrics, line by line, as it's specifically trained in songwriting. You'll see this option right here. There are 3 choices available. The first one is write whole lyrics. This option lets you create the entire lyrics for a song with AI assistance. Next, there's the write a line of the lyrics feature. It's super helpful because it lets you build your song one line at a time, giving you the flexibility to add your own creativity as you shape a fantastic song. After that, we'll move on to the song structure, which we'll explore next. Alright, it's time to bring ChatGPT into the mix and get a song written. After that, we'll convert it into a full song. Just hop over to ChatGPT and describe exactly how you want your song. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT the kind of song you're looking for, and it'll whip one up for you. Plus, if you want, you can even ask it to write a song in the style of an already popular track. For instance, we could say, write me a song like Netflix's Destiny. Once we send this prompt to ChatGPT, it'll generate a song inspired by Netflix's Destiny. It won't be an exact copy, but it'll capture that same vibe and style. This trick is super handy if you're not too familiar with music generation. After that, we'll copy the lyrics and paste them into Mureka AI. We can also give this song a title, like something unstoppable. It's not mandatory, but feel free to name it if you'd like. Next, let's head over to the styles section. Here, we can choose any style we want to use. I'll play something to give you a taste of what it can do.
Yelling out, we ain't selling out, we got money, but we ain't lending.
I can't talk right now, girl. I'm getting my pussy. My nigga let me real bad, make these hoes mad. I'm in some bad shit.
Lady boner gone. He dry humping me in her fam.
Cause
diamonds wrong, it's a life of squinting, can't just stare. With baby.
These filters help you quickly find the perfect or a specific style, which you can then use to shape your song. This way, the song you create will match the style and tone you've selected. In addition to that, you can also provide a reference for the style of a song. For this, you have two options. You can either upload an audio file to reference the style, or you can provide a link to a song that's available online. Alright, let's try using a YouTube video link as a reference for the song style. Since we've got the lyrics ChatGPT generated based on Neffex's Destiny, I'll copy the link to that song from YouTube and paste it right here. After that, we can choose any part of the song to reference for the style. Then, we just need to give it a title, so we'll go with Neffex's Destiny by Xenzia. Next, we'll select hip-hop as the genre and calm for the mood. Now, I'm no expert in music, so I'm just picking what feels right to me. Once we've selected the mood, we'll simply hit done. After that, we just need to click use, and the reference music will be added in that style. Next, we can choose any vocals from the vocals section, but for now, I'm going to leave it blank. We'll add some vocals in the next example. Now, in the description, we need to describe the music style. Let's go with upbeat. I think that'll fit perfectly. In the melody section, you can actually record your own voice, whether it's singing or even just humming a tune, and then the AI will generate music based on that melody. After that, you just need to simply click create, and your music will start creating. Once your song is generated, you can listen to it, regenerate it, extend it, and even give it a like if you want. So, let's hit play and see how it turned out.
I've been down before, yeah, I've hit the ground, but I'm rising up. They never believed, said I never. I've been down before, yeah, I've hit the ground, but I'm rising up, never.
Alright, now let's talk about selling your music. We've got this store right here, and as you can see, there are tons of songs generated by users just like us, all available for sale. If you want to buy one, you can listen to the track first, and then hit the checkout button to make your purchase. And just like others are selling their music here, you can do the same. To get started, just head over to the Create section, click on the music you want to sell, and apply to sell it. With Mureka AI, you get 6 credits per day, and each credit lets you generate one song. That means you can create up to 6 songs for free every single day. But if you're working on a bigger project, they've got some great options for you. The basic plan is just $10 and gives you 400 credits, which means 400 songs. The Pro plan is $30 with 1,600 credits, and the Premier plan, perfect for larger scale creators, is $288 with a whopping 19,200 credits. So, that's a wrap for today's video. Now you know how to use Mureka AI to create your own songs, generate music, and even sell them to make some cash.